edition of Somerset Scoop, a production of Somerset County Recreation Parks and Tourism, as we count down the days of 2024. But we are ready for the holidays, and Somerset County is a great place to not only spend the holidays, but also spend some of that money on great holiday shopping opportunities. One of those is going on this weekend right here at Tim and Doris. It's a beautiful store in Crisfield on the highway, just steps away from the Crisfield City Dock. A wonderful place, everything from Simply Southern to candles to furniture and oh so much more. And we are here today because they are having their annual Christmas open house this weekend, Friday and Saturday, with great shopping opportunities. Not only the selection, got great stuff for the holidays, and you've got 20% off everything in the store, and it just goes up from there. They've got great deals on furniture, great deals on Simply Southern, everything from apparel to jackets, a whole lot more. We're going to have refreshments going on during the weekend and door prize opportunities. So the place to be is Tim and Doris's, right here in Crisfield on the highway. Make sure to follow them on Facebook. You can really, if you've never checked out the store, you can really get a feel of what they have available when you check out their Facebook page. And come on out Friday and Saturday, do some holiday shopping, support local, shop local, right here at Tim and Doris's. Their holiday open house, Christmas open house is this weekend. Got another event coming up this weekend in Crisfield. It's Angel's Attic. Their Christmas Wonderland is Saturday from 9 to 1. Now, they are located inside the Emmanuel United Methodist Church, real easy to find, Main Street in Crisfield. Angel's Attic having a luncheon, a silent auction. They've got gifts, this and that room, a Christmas room, and baked goods, so definitely check them out. We're going to circle back to Friday to talk about a couple of events that are happening in the county. One of those is a free skate night at the Antioch Church. They're on Somerset Avenue in Princess Anne. Starts around 6 p.m. They've got free skates available. It is just a free event, a great time to fellowship, to bring the kids out, to bring yourself out. Everyone is invited, so definitely check that out. The Friday skate night, they have those the fourth Friday of every month. Also on Friday, a performance by the Lower Shore Performing Arts Center. It's a Sherlock Carol, and it will be at Gallery 413, which is on Main Street in Crisfield. The performance is Friday. Go to lowershorepac.org for full details and information on how you can grab those tickets. So, shopping, check. Holiday performances, check. Recreation, check. It is going on this weekend. And again, Christmas open house at Tim and Doris's, just steps away from the Crisfield City Dock in beautiful downtown Crisfield. Refreshments, door prizes, 20% off everything in the store, and the deals and discounts go up from there. So this is the place for you to be. Come on out and do that. I'm not going to say early holiday shopping because I know a lot of you have already started your shopping, but you can really either start, continue, or finish this weekend right here at Tim and Doris's. Make sure to follow them on Facebook for all of the details and more. Speaking of Facebook, follow us on Facebook too for more details and more great events happening in Somerset County. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and X. I'm not going to call it Twitter anymore. We're going to call it X and be official. All right, and our website, which is visitsomerset.com. Have a fabulous weekend. Shop local, support local, right here in Somerset County.